Smart switch not connecting to Wi-Fi can stop your data transfer and cause frustration. In this video, we'll show quick fixes to help you solve the Wi-Fi connection issue and get smart switch working again. Part 1. Why won't smart switch connect over Wi-Fi? Different Wi-Fi, not same network. Weak signal, poor connection, glitch, temporary bug, outdated app compatibility issue, unsupported OS, not compatible, mobile data interferes Wi-Fi, battery saver restricts connection, cache issue, corrupted data. Part 2. Fix smart switch not connecting to Wi-Fi with 12 quick methods. Fix 1. Restart both phones. Fix 2. Turn off mobile data. Fix 3. Inspect Wi-Fi compatibility. Fix 4. Power cycle devices. Fix 5. Grant permissions for smart switch. Fix 6. Disable battery saving mode. Fix 7. Clear smart switch cache. Fix 8. Reset Samsung smart switch. Fix 9. Verify internet connections. Fix 10. Check router settings. Fix 11. Ensure the correct app and setup mode. Fix 12. Use a USB cord instead of Wi-Fi. Part 3. Try the best smart switch alternative. Smooth connection. iCan Transfer for mobile Windows Mac offers a smooth USB connection that ensures fast and stable data migration between devices. Reference Guide 01. Launch the program. Start iCan Transfer for mobile on your computer. After downloading and installing it, the main interface will appear on your screen. 02. Connect devices via USB. Use USB cables to link your computer with both phones. Enable USB debugging on Galaxy or trust your computer when connecting an iPhone, so the tool can detect them and click flip if the source and destination are reversed. 03. Select data types. Choose the categories of files you want to move. 04. Start the transfer. Click Start Copy to begin the iPhone, Android, Samsung to Samsung data transfer.